Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I'm going to explain slice method in JavaScript. If you want to learn more array methods, I'll put those videos in description. You can go and watch. Okay. Slice. Slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array without modifying original array. Okay. Slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array. Portion copy of an array without modifying the original array. Okay, without modifying the original array. Yeah, and we'll see the syntax. Okay, here slice means it will not modify original array. Slice means it will not modify original array. Here in splice, here it was modifying original array, right? In slice, it will not modify original array, right? We'll see syntax. Syntax array dot slice of start index comma end index. Okay, yeah. We'll see examples for this. Let array equal to array equal to a comma b comma c comma d. Okay. And we'll write indexes 0 1 2 3. Okay, I have to format this one. Okay, and let result equal to array dot slice of 1 comma 3. Okay, what it was actually is 1 means start index, 3 means end index. Okay, here what it will do, start index means 1, right? 1 means this one means b. Okay, end index 3 means this one means d. It will show b and c. It will remove this one and this one. Okay, in new array, this is new array, right? See here, console.log of result. Clear here. We'll run this one. See here, was showing BC 1 and 2, these two only. This is result, right? It was new array, it will not affected old array. See that one also. I'll show here console.log of array. Array means it will show full array what we have. See here, it was not modified, just they copied this one, like a shallow copy kind of thing, duplicate kind of thing. Okay, yeah. Yes, and we'll see another example, like wait, not yes, here let result equal to array dot slice of 2. 2 means what? Means 2 means start index, right? Start index means this one. Okay, see what it will do. It will slice console.log of result. We'll clear this output. We'll check here C, D. It was showing C and D. It removes first what we have, means 0 and 1, it has sliced. Okay, this is slice to the end. Okay, and we can use negative numbers also. Here I'll show you. 1 second. Using negative numbers means negative indexes. Negative indices. Let result equal to array dot slice of -3 comma -1. Okay, here -3 means not this one. Okay, I'll create negative indexes also. 1 second. Negative index will start from here. Okay, so -1 -2 -3 -4. So here this minus negative values is start from end of the array last element to first element. So -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, positive element indexes will start from 0 to starting to ending. Starting is 0, ending is ending number. Okay, yeah. Now what we have given is -3 -1. So here we'll see the result. Console.log of result. Okay, what it will throw? what it will throw? -1 means D, right? -3 means B. So it will show B and C. Wait, I'll clear this one. B and C. Rest of the things are sliced. Okay. Here. That is negative indices. And one more last thing is there. Last point. Let original equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, it is an array, and I'm going to do copy equal to original dot slice. Okay, console.log of copy. So what I do here is just I write slice only without mentioning any parameters or arguments in that. I didn't pass any arguments in slice method. Okay, just I gave our array dot slice, so it will create one separate what you call shallow copy kind of shallow copy array, duplicate array. Okay, see, it will not do anything, just it will create an array. It will not slice anything, or it will not delete anything, it will not remove anything. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe hotspot programming. If you want more array methods, I have already created a video on that. You can check it in description. Okay, thank you.